see me turn that beat up. Yeah.
Run up that check and then we knock off. Every nigga day the mouth off. Thinking it's good for God, you want some outlaws. Coordinations, nigga.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy King Reckless, back with another video. And today we're gonna do a simple install on my Dodge Challenger with the Hellcat Redeye spoiler. I bought it straight to the dealership. East Coast Moparts. I was gonna order online, but it was gonna take like a week to get here. Dealership came in next day shipping. But we're gonna go ahead and put the Redeye spoiler on here. It's gonna look nasty. I even got a wicker bill coming for that spoiler, so y'all stay tuned for that. You know what, matter of fact, you can't see the puddle lights, but y'all saw the install on that, of course, in the day. I'm gonna go ahead and move my car so I can't put it in the middle. Let me let that thing warm up real quick. But anyways, if y'all new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, like, browse all my videos, leave a comment if you like. I'd really appreciate all the love and support. But yeah, today's just gonna be a simple install video. I got two friends coming just to come through, you know, car people, we just like doing shit together. Oh, let me put this seat back. There we go. Man, I still wish I had them seats with the B on it. I don't like that RT stuff. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move it now. Just lean it up. I'm about to show you another reason why I got this spoiler. Not just for that, but like, I was like, let me buy a whole new spoiler, wicker bill. Might as well. Look, I don't know if y'all can tell on camera because the sun is out, but when we get to the shade, you'll probably see it. But that wicker bill I have is literally blocking, like, it bugs me, I promise you it do. That right there, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Look at that, I know y'all can see that. Damn sun is in the way. Oh, look, there, y'all can see it a little bit better. Let me let it focus. That right there is the wicker bill. And it's even bigger over here. Let's go, it's like right here. That shit bugs the hell out of me, trust me, it do. The good thing about this new spoiler is it's gonna be the spoiler and the wicker bill is gonna go over the camera. So you're not really gonna see it. Like the camera's not being blocked. Go ahead and take this piece out. I'm not trying to scratch the spoiler, but this is how it's gonna look. Of course it's gonna be down. It's gonna be hanging sideways like that. Damn, that looks so nice. The spoiler is right here now, so the wicker bill is gonna be on top, not even blocking that at all, and that's what I really like at all. Like, I'm not gonna have to worry about any of that. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and just install this, because we'll start installing it because they taking too long. But the first thing you want to do is take off those things right there. Let me put this down so y'all can see. I don't got really one of them tools, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use a flathead. Alright, the next step, what you're gonna do is those things right there. Just go ahead and unscrew them with your hand. Let me get it, hold on. There goes one. It's literally unscrewing it. Got them two off. There's the one I broke. So now we gotta take this piece, these screws off, that washer thing. Alright, now all you do is get a 10mm thing. You know, I don't know what these things are called, but you're just gonna unscrew that. Look who's pulling up. God damn it, deer head. What did you say? Yeah. Nice. You might get 1,000 views.
1,000, dude?
Yep.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy D-Roll here back in the video.
This ain't your channel, boy.
Hey, I'll take it over everything. Hey, this right here, this is what we call D-World Takeover, bro. Hey, today I'm here to help my boy Ruben, aka King Reckless. I'm supposed to be helping him out and he's already started.
Should you yank that bitch out? Not really yank it, you gotta be careful because it can like...
Hold
on. What y'all listen?
Sorry, man, I'm taking over the vlog, but this cow hood. No, you don't. No, you don't.
That's in there.
No, it's not.
You have to.
Hey, hold on, wait. Devin, on God, if you try to challenge me, let me tell you something.
Alright, now Mason, look under there. Do you see what I mean? How there's like those push things?
No, you just gotta pop it out.
But there's also tape too. Can't scratch up or nothing. He was like popping them out. With like
Yeah, look, see, he popping them out.
That's what they were doing. Told you.
Yeah.
Told you. You good?
Look at me, man.
What the hell, Mason? God damn it.
This should make you nervous, right?
Skip-a-doop-boop-a-doop-a-doop. Do it to me, do it to me, do it to me.
That's nice. Oh, bitch.
Okay.
Shit. Damn.
Woo! Should I just leave my spoiler off? Yeah. I said I won't drop to HB like this.
I put that on God you won't.
What?
On God you won't. This is fucking disgusting. Ugh.
Oh God. Hey, you can just put that in the grass, Sam.
You gotta clean this shit real quick.
No, I am. What the fuck? Bro, Mason, why are challenges so ugly without spoilers?
Don't look at me, man.
Yeah, come on.
There he is, told you. And look who's coming up.
I didn't know you got the Honda.
Oh, shoot. Nasty.
Gotta go to Jimbo's too. Jimbo!
Howdy.
What's up, YouTube?
What you got to say to him looking all fly? Ooh, get the Yeezys on. Watch out, y'all step back.
My dog Ivan just pulled back up. Let's see how the hood looks in the day now. Yeah, he got a car wash. Ooh, this thing looking icy. Damn. Damn. That thing really looks different in person, oh God. Nah, but let's go ahead and put the spoiler on. I'm gonna put y'all right here.
Oh, you took the... What is this? Roger told me I didn't want to buy anything else.
I got in the holes over here. Ready to put it down. Make sure.
Alright,
Oh my God.
somebody hold it. You gotta hold it down.
Alright, the red eye spoiler is now on. We haven't put the bolts on it yet though.
Do with the right spoiler.
What?
Damn,
Well, you
look
gotta
how
work
clean
about
that looks. I swear I fell in love with the red eye spoiler.
I'm saying like that right there though. Mine?
Mason, get right here.
Yeah, it's already clean, dude.
Bro, that hoe is nasty, right?
And that wicker buff finna look mean as fuck.
Damn, that looks so clean, bro.
Connect the cables. Little piece. Trying to find somebody selling that spring thing.
Bro, that looks so clean. Alright, one last thing for real. I gotta make sure the camera is on. Like, I know we connected it, but.
You maybe do it, bro.
Bam! That's way better.
I said, I'll be one of the V6.
Yeah, 235
Oh, shoot, I'm letting him. Damn! Bro, that red eye spoiler is something else, dog.
It's on airlift suspension.
And yes, sir, it's a manly car, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, shoot, we're back at DY's house. You're on YouTube on me, you better say what's up. Huh? What you gotta say?
How did it feel? Boy, King Reckless.
Oh my God.
You gotta cut that.
I'll redo it.
You gotta redo it.
Okay, I got a picture with all my boys.
Oh shoot, look, the Subaru interior. Mason, when you were driving, oh my gosh. Look completely different, bro. Damn. Bro, I'm in love with this spoiler.
So this came with it?
Yeah, the camera was already on and everything. Alright YouTube, it's a new day. I didn't close out yesterday's video, so I'm gonna close it out here. But y'all saw how the red eye spoiler looks. Got the wicker bill coming soon. Diffuser, and then I still need to buy my quads, but I'm buying them soon. I'm just trying to find a shop to see if I can get them put on before these meets, but it's not looking good, so I'm gonna have to order them and I'm gonna have to wait 2 more weeks on top of that. Appreciate all the love and support. I ain't trying to get copyrighted. Appreciate the love and support. Road to 1,000. I'm already about to hit 600 subscribers, so I truly appreciate y'all. Finna go get something to eat. It is freezing outside. But yeah, I'm King Reckless and I'm out. Peace.
Water, baby.